If you're new to yoga, then welcome to this beautiful journey. My name is Andreina, and I'm going to guide you through 7 important and foundational poses that everybody must know. Whether you want to do Vinyasa yoga, Yin yoga, Hatha yoga, or Ashtanga yoga, you're going to learn these poses across all these different practices. And if you do them every day, you're going to see a lot of improvements in your health. This is a follow-along class. So this first part, I'm going to explain all the poses, how to do them, and all the benefits around the poses. And then in the second part of the class, we're going to do the whole flow together. So let's get started. So let's warm up the body a little bit. So legs wider than your hips, arms in front of you, and let's start twisting the hands in one direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, opposite direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then a big circle with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs even wider. And then let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. And shake the body a little bit. The first pose is very simple, but also very important. It is called pranam or prayer pose. And although it may be extremely simple, it serves a great purpose, and I'll explain why. So feet together and back is straight. We want to make sure we're not lounging forward and we're not overextending the back. So just tuck the tailbone just a tiny bit and roll the shoulders up and down and open the chest. Neck is nice and long. And from the bottom, start lifting your hands and place them in front of your heart. In some practices, you're going to be asked to keep a straight line between the elbow and the wrist. And in other practices, it's going to be completely fine if you drop the elbows a little bit. So your teacher is going to give you the instructions. And then you can close your eyes and take an inhale. And a gentle exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Focus on your breath. This balances both sides of the brain and the rest of the body. It helps to center the mind on the practice and enhances focus. And it prepares the body for the entire yoga practice. Let's go to the top of the mat. So place your feet together, look straight, and from here, bend the knees, lift the arms, engage the core, tuck the tailbone, spine is straight, and shoulders are away from the ears. This is called Utkatasana or chair pose. Make sure that the knees are not over the toes and neck is straight. This strengthens the legs and the core muscles. It stimulates the digestive system and it energizes the body by increasing blood circulation. So take an inhale and a gentle exhale. Again, inhale. To exhale, bring the upper body down. Place your hands beside your feet and relax your neck. You can keep your knees bent or you can extend the legs if you have the flexibility. I'll keep them bent, but any option that feels comfortable for you, then that's perfect. Close your eyes. Inhale. And exhale. This is called Padahastasana or forward fold. This reduces excess belly fat, it stretches the back and the leg muscles, and it reduces stress. Take another inhale And as you exhale, make sure that your hands are firm on the mat and step back. Your feet are as wide as your hip, tailbone is pointing towards the sky, spine is straight, shoulders are rolled back and away from the ears, and fingers are spread apart. This is called Adho Mukha Shavasana, or downward facing dog. This is another pose in which you can choose to keep your knees bent, or you can have them straight. Whichever option is perfect. I'll keep them bent. And you can look between your toes and make sure that you engage your core. Take an inhale and exhale. This pose is amazing because it stretches and strengthens the entire body. It reduces stress and anxiety, and it is a perfect grounding pose that promotes a sense of balance and stability. Take another inhale. Feel the pose and exhale. And as you inhale, move the body forward, and we're gonna get into Santolanasana or plank pose. So you can adjust your feet just so the entire body is in alignment. So make sure the body is almost in a straight line. Your wrists are below the shoulders, and look down, make sure that the neck is straight. Engage the core. And this position is amazing because it actually strengthens the arms, the shoulders, the back, the core, and the thighs. It energizes the body and instills a sense of positivity, and it also tones the abs. Inhale. As you exhale, drop the knees and the rest of the body. Legs together, toes together, and hands beside your chest. Use your hands to push the chest up, shoulders are down, elbows are pointing back, and neck is nice and long, and you just have to look straight. This is called Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. This pose is amazing because it helps you strengthen the back, it helps to improve the digestive system, and it also helps to improve the reproductive system as well as irregular menstrual cycles. Take an inhale and a gentle exhale. Inhale again. And as you exhale, push the body up and place your palms on your heels. Knees are as wide as your mat. Forehead is on the mat and your arms are forward. Your hands can be forward, in front of you, or by your side, or behind you. This is called Balasana or child's pose. This is a great resting pose that is going to help you to relax. It is also going to stretch the spine and reduce tension on the shoulders and the neck, and it's amazing to reduce stress and anxiety. Take a deep inhale and a gentle exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. And then place your arms in front of you. And what I want you to do is, I want you to tuck your toes and then lift your hip. And then from here you can walk towards your hands. Or if you want a little bit of a challenge, you can actually jump. It's up to you. Whatever you choose is perfect. And then slowly come all the way up. Amazing. Now that you know all the poses, let's do the whole sequence together. So let's go to the top of the mat. Feet together, hands by your side. And then from here, we're gonna do the first pose. 1, prayer pose. 2, chair pose. 3, standing forward fold. 4, downward facing dog. 5, plank pose. You can adjust your feet. 6, Cobra pose. And then 7, child's pose. And then breathe and relax. From here, tuck your toes, lift your head up, and then you can walk towards your hands or jump. It's up to you. And then slowly come all the way up. And then if you're ready for the challenge, we can just do it same flow, but it's just a little bit faster. So let's go. Feet together, hands by your side. So 1, Pranam pose. 2, Utkatasana. 3, Padahastasana. 4, Adho. 5, Santolanasana. 6, Bhujangasana. And then 7, Balasana. And relax. Thank you so much for joining me in this class. If you have any comments, leave it in the section below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this session and follow for more yoga videos. Namaste.